If x equals the square root of 2 plus 1, then what is the value of x times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x minus 2? Let's substitute the value of x into each term. By replacing x with square root of 2 plus 1, we get square root of 2 plus 1 times. We replaced x with its value. Now we substitute x again here, square root of 2 plus 1 minus 1. Continuing on, we replace the last x with square root of 2 plus 1, and we have minus 2 at the end. Now let's simplify what's inside the parentheses. In the second term, the positive 1 and negative 1 cancel each other out, leaving us with just square root of 2. In the third term, 1 minus 2 gives us negative 1, so we have square root of 2 minus 1. This looks much better. We now have the quantity square root of 2 plus 1 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 minus 1. Look at the first and the last terms. This is a difference of squares pattern. Let's keep in mind the difference of squares identity. If we look at our first and third terms, we see the difference of squares pattern x minus y times x plus y. This allows us to simplify it quickly to x squared minus y squared. Our first term is x plus y, which is square root of 2 plus 1. And our second term is x minus y, which is square root of 2 minus 1. Now let's look at the first and third terms. We can simplify this product using the difference of squares identity, which is x squared minus y squared equals x minus y times x plus y. In our case, x is the square root of 2 and y is 1. So, multiplying the quantity square root of 2 plus 1 by square root of 2 minus 1 gives us square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared, all multiplied by the square root of 2. The square and the square root are inverse operations, so they cancel each other out. We apply the squares to our numbers. The square root of 2 squared becomes 2, and 1 squared stays as 1. So 2 minus 1 times the square root of 2. Now we simply perform the subtraction inside the parentheses. 2 minus 1 gives us exactly 1. So our expression simplifies to 1 times the square root of 2. And finally 1 times the square root of 2 equals to the square root of 2. Our final answer is the square root of 2. The real magic here is identifying the difference of squares. By spotting that x plus y times x minus y pattern, we turn those complex roots into a simple 1, leaving us with a final answer of root 2. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.